Good morning, children. Children, in the previous video, we had started with the chapter time and I explained you how to see time on the clock. And you have done the work so very beautifully in a neat and clean way. It was really very satisfying to see the way you do your work. Today, I am going to teach you more about time and few things which you should know in this chapter. The face of a clock is called its dial. You see, this is the clock. Okay, this is a wall clock that we keep on the wall in order to see the time. This face of the clock, can you see this face, this entire face? ये पूरा face आपको दिखाई दे रहा है? तो ये जो clock का face होता है इसे dial कहते हैं. What is that called? That is called the dial of the clock. And this dial has numbers from 1 to 12 marked on it. You can see here this dial is having numbers from 1 to 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay? So, two things you have got to know. The first one is that the face of the clock is called the dial. क्लॉक के फेस को डायल बोलते हैं और एक क्लॉक के फेस में टोटल 12 नंबर्स होते हैं. Where this is the minute hand of the clock. This long hand of the clock is called the minute hand. Whereas this short hand of the clock is called the hour hand. And this thin one is called the second hand. Okay. So right now we have to learn more about the minute hand and the hour hand. You can see here, already you all have done questions based on this, that when the hour hand is on a number and the minute hand is at 12, whatever number the hour hand is facing, we say that that is the time on the clock. In this, 4 is at the hour hand is at 4 and minute hand is at 12. That means it is 4 o'clock now. यहाँ पर आप सब देखें, जो hour hand है, जो घंटे की सुई है वो 4 पर है और जो मिनट की सुई है वो 12 पर है. तो जब भी कभी घड़ी में मिनट हैंड 12 पर रहे और आर हैंड किसी नंबर पर रहे, तो जिस नंबर पे आर हैंड रहता है वही उस समय का टाइम होता है. अगर आर हैंड 4 पर है और मिनट हैंड 12 पर है तो हम कहेंगे इट इज़ 4 o'clock. अगर आर हैंड 5 पर है, मिनट हैंड 12 पर है, तब हम कहेंगे इट इज़ 5 o'clock. If the hour hand is at 8 and minute hand is at 12, then we say it is 8 o'clock. If the hour hand is at 11 and the minute hand is at 12, then we say it is 11 o'clock. Okay. Now, what happens when the minute hand starts moving? Now you see here, the minute hand starts moving. I showed you this one in the previous video also. It goes on moving from 1 minute, 2 minute, then 3 minute. You see, you can see the different lines that are shown here. This is the first line, this is 1 minute, this is 2 minute, this is 3 minute, this is 4 minute and here is 5 minutes. Okay. ये हर नंबर जो यहाँ रहता है ये 5 minutes का डिफरेंस दिखा रहा है. Here it is 5 minutes. You can also do it in a very simple way मैं एक और बहुत सिंपल तरीका आपको बताती हूँ। हर नंबर को आप 5 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दीजिए, बिकॉज देयर इज़ अ गैप ऑफ 5 मिनट्स बिटवीन एवरी 2 नंबर। हर 2 नंबर के बीच में 5 मिनट्स का गैप होता है। सी हियर, 12 और 1 के बीच में 5 मिनट्स, 1 और 2 के बीच में अगेन 5 मिनट्स, 2 और 3 के बीच में अगेन 5 मिनट्स। तो जब भी मिनट हैंड किसी नंबर पे जाएगा, इफ़ यू वांट टू नो व्हाट इज़ द टाइम, you multiply that number with 5. You will come to know what is the minutes at that time. 5 ones are 5. So it is 5 minutes. See here, now the minute hand will move to that place. It is 5 minutes. That means 4:05. 5 minutes past 4. Now again the minute hand will start moving. And slowly this will come 6 minutes, 7 minutes, 8 minutes, 9 minutes, and then it will come to 10 minutes. Now see on which number it has come. It has come on number 2. Now if you want to know what is the minute now, what you do, you multiply 2 with 5. 2 5s are 10. So it is 10 minutes now. In the same way, when the minute hand will come to 3, multiply 3 by 5, 3 5s are 15. So it is 15 minutes. Now the minute hand will come to 4. Multiply 4 with 5, 4 5s are 20. So the minute is 20. Now the minute hand comes to 5. So multiply 5 with 5 again, 5 5s are 25. So the minute is 25. Now the minute hand comes to 6. So this is again multiply 6 with 5. 6 को फिर से 5 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दीजिए, तो कितना मिनट हो जाएगा? 6 5s are 30. So the minute is 30 minutes. Now one thing you have to understand here, that when, now see, the minute hand has covered half of the distance. मिनट हैंड ने हाफ डिस्टेंस कवर कर लिया है, मतलब घड़ी में आधा दूरी तय कर चुका है. एंड इट हैज़ कम टू द नंबर 6. When the minute hand has come to the number 6, 30 minutes has crossed. 30 minutes बीत चुके हैं. 30 minutes क्रॉस हो चुका है 4 बजने के बाद. एंड एट दिस टाइम, नाउ सी व्हाट इज द पोजिशन ऑफ द आवर हैंड. द आवर हैंड इज बिटवीन 4 and 5. जब मिनट हैंड 30 मिनट्स तक पहुंच जाएगा, मतलब 1 घंटे में टोटल कितने मिनट्स होते हैं? 1 घंटे में टोटल 60 मिनट्स होते हैं. आई विल शो यू. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. So in 1 hour there are 60 minutes. 1 घंटे में 60 मिनट्स होता है. तो 60 का आधा कितना होता है? What is half of 60? Half of 60 is 30 minutes. So at 30 minutes the minute hand will always come to the number 6. जब भी 30 मिनट्स होगा, मिनट हैंड का सुई हमेशा 6 नंबर पर रहेगा. और see here, the hour hand is between 4 and 5. hour hand 4 और 5 के बीच में है. That means it is 4:30. 4:30 हो चुके हैं. 4:30 मीन्स आपको ये देखना है कि आर हैंड किस नंबर को क्रॉस करके आया है. आर हैंड 4 को क्रॉस करके आया है. सो it is 4:30. How do we write it? We write it 4:30. Now you can see the example that is given in your book. See, in the book this example has been given. that the minute hand is at 6, minute hand 6 पर है, और आर हैंड किसके किसके बीच में है? आर हैंड 2 और 3 के बीच में है. दैट मीन्स द आर हैंड हैज़ क्रॉस 2. आर हैंड 2 को क्रॉस करके 3 की तरफ जा रहा है. एंड द मिनट हैंड हैज़ ऑलरेडी क्रॉस्ड 30 मिनट्स. ऑलरेडी 30 मिनट्स क्रॉस करके मिनट हैंड 6 पर पहुंच चुका है. सो व्हाट विल बी द टाइम नाउ? द टाइम विल बी 2:30. And how do we write it? We write half past 2. Okay? In this, what is the time now in the clock? It is 4:30. And how do we write it? We write half past 4. Now in the similar ways, I will move the minute hand and show you the next time so that you can get even more examples. So what is the time now? See, it is 5 o'clock. The hour hand is at 5 and the minute hand is at 12. So this is 5 o'clock. Now the minute hand starts moving. So the minute hand comes to 5 minutes. Then the minute hand comes to 10 minutes. Then the minute hand comes to 15 minutes. Then the minute hand comes to 20 minutes. Then the minute hand comes to 25 minutes. And finally, the minute hand comes to 30 minutes. So, when the minute hand has come to 30 minutes, where can you see the hand of the clock? The minute hand? The minute hand is at 6 and the hour hand is between 5 and 6. This shows that hour hand has crossed 5. hour hand यहाँ पे क्या दिखा रहा है कि hour hand 5 को क्रॉस कर गया है और अब वो 6 की तरफ जा रहा है. And the minute hand has already crossed 30 minutes and it has come to number 6. So what do we say it is? What is the number that you will say? When you will write this number, you will write it like this. You will write here 5:30. In numbers you will write it like this. And when you will write this time in words, you will write half past 5. Okay? Now let us come to the example part that has given in your book. One more example has been given. I want to explain you each and every example also so that when you go through the book, you do not face any problem in understanding it. See here, one more example has been given in your book. The minute hand is at 6 and the hour hand is between 3 and 4. So, what time do we say this? This is half past 3. The hour hand has just crossed 3. hour hand ने 3 को क्रॉस कर लिया है और अब वो 4 की तरफ बढ़ रहा है. And the minute hand has already come to number 6. That means minute hand has crossed 30 minutes. It has come to the number 6. That means 30 minutes have been crossed. So when we write in numbers, what do we write? When we write in numbers, we write 3:30. And when we write in words, we write half past 3. In the similar way, one more example has been given here. See, the minute hand is at 6. Minute hand किस नंबर पर आ गया है? 6 पर है. That means 30 minutes have crossed. And the hour hand is between 1 and 2. hour hand 1 और 2 के बीच में है. That means hour hand has crossed 1 and now is moving towards 2. hour hand मिनट को क्रॉस कर hour hand 1 को क्रॉस करके 2 की तरफ जा रहा है. So how do we write the time? We write 1:30. And in words, how do we write? Half past 1. Now, this all were the examples that has been done. Now from here you will do it yourself. See, the minute hand is at 6 and the hour hand is between 6 and 7. Hour hand has crossed 6 and is moving towards 7. So it is 6:30. And how do we write in words? We write half past 6. Okay? In this next one, the minute hand has come to 6. That means 30 minutes. And the hour hand is between 12 and 1. Hour hand 12 को क्रॉस करके 1 की तरफ जा रहा है. So, what will be the time now? It will be 12:30. And how do we write it in words? We write half past 12. Okay. No. So, there are few more clocks which have been given. 2 already I have explained it to you. And there are remaining 6 clocks. You can see here. Now this is what you are going to do as your work. You will make these clocks in your copy. Okay. And you will draw the clocks and then show the time. This is your class work. And you will do this work in your book also as your homework. Okay, once again I am repeating. आप इन सारे क्लॉक्स को अपनी कॉपीज़ में बनाएंगे और ये आपका क्लास वर्क होगा और यही वर्क आप अपने बुक में भी करेंगे. ये आपका होमवर्क होगा. थैंक यू.